Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your computer supports an eye protection mode like night light or blue light filter, and then open display settings. This matters because older drivers may hide these options. Once you've confirmed support, make sure your system is updated and plugged in if you want full functionality. Now navigate. On Windows, go to Settings System Display. On Mac OS, go to System Preferences, Displays Night Shift. Doing this gets you straight to the controls you need. Once in the display options, enable the eye protection toggle and adjust the color temperature slider toward warmer tones so blue light is reduced. You do this because warmer color reduces eye strain and helps sleep. Then set a schedule. Choose sunset to sunrise if you want automatic changes, or pick custom hours if your nights are irregular. Make sure to preview the change and fine-tune the warmth if it feels too orange. Reduce the intensity gradually until comfortable. You finish by fine-tuning brightness and contrast so text remains crisp with the filter enabled, because overly dim screens can cause strain too. If the option is missing or colors glitch, update your graphics drivers and restart. That usually restores features. If a third-party app or browser extension is forcing colors, disable it temporarily to verify. One key troubleshooting tip: restart after driver updates and check manufacturer utilities. Sometimes they control the same settings and must be adjusted there as well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.